Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Collaborator control for a specific compute server on the CoCalc platform. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. Here are the projects that I've either created or that I'm listed as a collaborator on. I could also create a new project, but I'll go ahead and click here. And this is my shared file system. And when I mention collaborators, I mean any of the folks listed here. You can add collaborators via their email address and they'll receive an invitation to join your CoCalc project. And then you can give permission for those collaborators to start, stop, suspend, or resume a compute server that is running outside of our Kubernetes cluster. And I'll show you how to do that now. So if I'm creating a new compute server, I can click on this button here. You would choose the cloud provider of your choice, Google Cloud or HyperStack. You could also use self-hosted resources like a local laptop or server or your cloud provider of choice. And then you can also choose between spot or standard instances, GPUs if you need them, the image that you'd like for the compute server. And then at the very bottom, there's a checkbox that says Allow Collaborator Control. So when you use this checkbox, this allows collaborators on your CoCalc project to start, stop, suspend, or resume this particular compute server where you, the person that created it and enabled this permission, are the one that is responsible for billing. So that's the one thing that I would mention there. And if you already have a compute server that you've started and you've been working on, and now you would like to enable collaborator control, you can see I already have a compute server running here. It says running and has all of these nice little checks here. But if I head over to the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, click, and then I can head over to options, and then I can use the checkbox that says collaborator control. So that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.